Alright guys, welcome to my third video, and hang in there, my second tutorial for the train is on the way. But for now, this is a simple little tutorial on how to make a Lego, I forgot the word, bulldozer. Sorry. Anyway, we will be making a bulldozer. First off, start off with this type wheel. Put it on a 1x4 axle. I'm really messing up today. Anyway, once you've got that, you will need two 1x6s, and you will attach them like so. Once you've got that, then you will put on this over here. It's a 1x4, and it's one of the taller ones with the little studs on the side. Once you've got that, then you'll want to put on this. This has two of these little jumper plates, and just put them on a 2x4 plate. Alright, once you got that on, then take one of these little scoops, I guess, and then attach, okay, this is really important. Attach this, 1x1, it's a 1x2 with the little notch thing. Attach this like that, okay? Because if you attach it upside down, it kind of works differently. There. So you've got your little, see? The other way just doesn't work. Okay, so neither ways are the best, but hey, you can just use it for show or whatever. Alright, then take two of these. These are kind of like the banana colored 1x2 bricks, I guess. And then just take a yellow steering wheel and a yellow slanted 1x2. Put that there, and put that like that. Then once you've got that done, you will need, you can either use one of these, or you can use this type. It doesn't really matter. It doesn't matter whichever way you do it. Anyway, once you've got that, you will put that there, and these are just two little cones that are translucent. And once you've got that, you can attach a 2x4, and you can just attach this little, anything with a symbol. I am messing up today. Anyway, attach that. Once you've got that on, then you can take one of these, and it's like a 1x4, but this is going down, and this allows you to, make like a little trailer. Just put that on right there. If you have like, if you have carpet, which, if you're gonna like play with this on carpet, this will kind of snag. So either just don't play with it on carpet or remove that. But anyway, then take a 1x2. It kind of looks like a seat cushion, that's why I'm using it, and put it, let's see. Oh, never mind. This will not be a seat cushion. Wait, no it is. See, I'm just really confused today. I don't know why. Anyway, put that there. Take another banana, yellow banana-ish colored thing. Put it in there. You know, just so that's. Anyway, this is kind of awkward. So you just have those two. They're 1x2 clips, and then take one of these slanted things. Just put it on like so, I think. Let's see. And then just one of these little cabs. I don't know exactly what that is. Yeah. There you go. And that's like your little bulldozer thingy. It's kind of an industrial bulldozer, I guess. Anyway, so you can fit, like a little minifigure. Little minifigure goes in the cab. Just put the minifigure in the cab. Might have to take it off. I don't know. There. There. You've got your little guy. And you can fill the bucket with whatever you want. Junk. You can fill it with junk. And it could be moving like trash from like a landfill, maybe. Although this is industrial. Yeah, I don't know what I'm talking about today. Anyway, got your little thing. Play with around just a little. You can dump it, all that classic stuff. But by the way, my profile picture, my channel picture, whatever you call it, this little guy is my channel picture, but the GR, whenever you see that, it means Gazoo Racing. I don't know where it came from. Sounds Australian, but yeah. So, little GR dude. Vroom, 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 vroom. Anyway, and that will wrap up our video. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and goodbye.